we're a physiotherapy service and we're based in St Willis Hospital for adults with learning disabilities, and then across the 3 children's centres of Bevan for our children's services. So the majority of our services were delivered face-to-face in a variety of environments ranging from schools, nurseries, playgroups, children's centres. So in March, when there was a lockdown nationally announced, we had to change our services. Our ways of working have changed in that we now offer a video consultation for every new patient, and we are firstly offering video consultations to all our follow-up patients and then assessing whether they need a face-to-face appointment. So currently we still have to follow certain guidelines, and we are only able to see face-to-face if necessary. So we're using video to help us make those decisions. So some example of the challenges for staff is that we're very much a hands-on profession, so we put our hands on to assess the children and adults that we see. So it's been very challenging to rely on our eyes and to just get eyes on the families and make our assessments and judgments from that. We've asked some of the families as well what the challenges are for them, and that would be they have said that in houses with lots of children, it's been very difficult to have focus for them for the appointment, and also the children can be distracted and reaching for the camera and trying to get to the phone or the laptop that they're using. It doesn't replace the face-to-face for us with certain children and certain adults with learning disabilities, but it's definitely been a massive help. In the future, I think it's safe to say it will be firmly established within our service. We will use video consultation for all our new patients, and we'll be able to hopefully use it early in their journey, so we'll be able to give early advice, early triage, make sure that they're on the appropriate waiting list, that that we know exactly what their needs are, and we hope to use a combined approach for some of our more complex children and adults with learning disabilities, so that we can check in through video consultation during an episode of care to make sure that they are coping with the advice and make sure that they're able to follow their programs.